Looking for ways to make money from home? Today we bring you 15 lucrative side hustle ideas to help you earn extra cash right from your living room. In the ever-evolving world of work, diversifying your income has become more crucial than ever. Welcome to the age of the side hustle, where your entrepreneurial spirit can thrive and your financial stability can be fortified. This is no longer a luxury, but rather a necessity. And the beauty of it all? You can do it without even stepping outside your door. Whether you're a whiz at writing, a genius at graphic design, or a pro at pet sitting, there's a side hustle out there that's just right for you. We'll be exploring a variety of ideas, from online tutoring to selling handmade products, from virtual assisting to affiliate marketing, and so much more. So, ready to transform your skills into a stream of income? Stay tuned as we delve into these exciting opportunities. And first on our list is online tutoring, a brilliant way to share your knowledge while earning money. The potential of online tutoring is immense, with a range of subjects and age groups to choose from. You could be helping a high schooler ace their calculus exam, or teaching a retiree how to play the piano. Platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and VIP Kid make it simple to connect with students worldwide. But how do you succeed as an online tutor? The key lies in your passion for the subject, your ability to communicate effectively, and your dedication to helping your students achieve their goals. Be patient, be creative, and be flexible. Customizing your teaching methods to suit each student's learning style can set you apart in this industry. Remember, tutoring isn't just about the paycheck. It's an opportunity to make a difference. With online tutoring, you're not just earning money, you're changing lives. Next up is freelance writing, a versatile side hustle for those with a knack for words. This gig is all about crafting compelling narratives, informative articles, or persuasive sales copy. The beauty of freelance writing is its diversity. You could be a blogger one day, a scriptwriter the next, or even a ghostwriter for a best-selling novel. Finding clients might seem daunting, but numerous platforms connect writers with potential employers. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are a great starting point. You can also reach out directly to companies or individuals who might need your writing prowess. Setting rates is an art in itself. You could charge per word, per project, or on an hourly basis. It's all about finding a balance between what you think your time and skill are worth and what the market is willing to pay. So if you have a way with words, freelance writing could be your golden ticket. Are you a creative soul? Graphic designing might be the perfect side hustle for you. Graphic design is a field brimming with opportunities. Businesses, big and small, are always on the hunt for skilled designers to create engaging visuals for their brand. From logos to social media graphics and everything in between, there's a demand for creative minds who can translate ideas into compelling visuals. To get started, all you need is a good understanding of design principles and proficiency in design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Online platforms and courses can help you sharpen these skills, even if you're a beginner. The potential earnings? Well, they can be quite appealing. As a freelance graphic designer, you could make anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on your experience and the complexity of the project. Unleash your creativity and start earning with graphic designing today. For those with crafty hands, selling handmade products can be a rewarding side hustle. Your imagination is the only limit when it comes to the potential products you can create. From handmade jewelry and bespoke clothing to unique home decor and artisanal food items, there's a market for almost everything. Now you may wonder, how do I get my products out there? Marketing is key. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work. Engage with your followers, post regularly, and make sure your products are visually appealing. But where do I sell? The internet is filled with platforms dedicated to handmade items. Websites like Etsy and Handmade at Amazon provide a marketplace where you can reach millions of customers worldwide. Remember, it's not just about making a product, it's about telling a story. Your handmade items are unique. They carry a piece of you in them. Turn your craft into cash with this fulfilling side hustle. Here's a side hustle for the organized minds: becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are the unsung heroes of the digital world, offering administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from the comfort of their homes. The tasks can vary widely, from managing emails and schedules to handling social media accounts to even doing some light bookkeeping. Now you might be wondering, how do I find clients? Well, there are numerous online platforms dedicated to connecting virtual assistants with potential clients. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and even LinkedIn can be great starting points. Setting rates can be a bit tricky as a beginner. You can choose to charge by the hour or set a flat fee for a specific task. To determine your rate, consider the complexity of the task, your experience, and the going rate in the industry. As a virtual assistant, your skills can earn you a decent income from home. Are you a social media enthusiast? Turn your passion into profit with social media management. As a social media manager, you'll be at the helm of a brand's digital presence. You'll create engaging content, respond to comments, analyze data, and develop strategies to increase visibility and drive growth. You're not just posting selfies. You're leveraging platforms to build relationships and foster a community around a brand. So where can you find clients? Start with local businesses, many of which may not have the time or know-how to maintain their social media presence. Offer your services. Show them how a strong online presence can boost their business. And the potential earnings? They're as varied as the social media landscape itself. As you gain experience and results, you can charge more for your expertise. Start making money today by helping businesses thrive on social media. Next up is affiliate marketing, a profitable side hustle for those with a significant online following. But what is affiliate marketing, you ask? It's a simple process where you promote a product or service from a company and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You'll need a platform, like a blog or a YouTube channel, to share these links with your audience. The key here is to promote products that genuinely resonate with you and your followers. You don't want to lose credibility by endorsing something you don't believe in. The potential earnings? They vary. Some people make a few $100s a month while others rake in thousands. It all depends on your reach, the products you choose to promote, and how effectively you market them. Best practices include being transparent about your affiliate relationships, choosing reputable programs, and providing valuable content alongside your affiliate links. With affiliate marketing, you can earn money while you sleep. Are you passionate about a particular topic? Blogging might be the perfect side hustle for you. Imagine writing about something you love and earning from it too. Starting a blog is simpler than you might think. Choose a domain, select a blogging platform, and voila, you're ready to share your unique perspective with the world. Monetizing your blog, however, requires some strategy. You can run paid ads, collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, or use affiliate marketing links. If you're an expert in your field, you might even offer paid courses or ebooks. But how much can you earn? Well, that largely depends on your blog's popularity and the monetization methods you choose. Some bloggers make a few $100s a month while others earn a full-time income. It's a game of patience and consistency. So, what are you waiting for? Start sharing your passion with the world and earn money through blogging. Interested in e-commerce but don't want to manage inventory? Consider dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell products online, but the supplier handles all the inventory and shipping. You essentially act as the middleman, taking orders from customers, then forwarding those orders to the supplier. Getting started is straightforward. First, you'll need to find a supplier, often through a dropshipping platform. Then, create an online store on a platform like Shopify. List your products and start marketing. Now, you might be wondering about potential earnings. Well, they can vary widely based on factors like your marketing skills, the products you sell, and the margins you set. But with the right strategy, dropshipping can become a lucrative side hustle, or even a full-time job. Remember, the key to success in dropshipping is finding the right product, supplier, and marketing strategy. With dropshipping, you can run an e-commerce business without ever touching a product. Love animals? Pet sitting can be a fun and rewarding side hustle. You're not just playing with pets all day, it's more than that. It's about providing care and companionship to animals while their owners are away. To start pet sitting first, ensure you're comfortable with different types of pets and their needs. Then you can sign up on pet sitting platforms like Rover or Care.com, or start your own pet sitting business. Setting your rates is a critical step. You could charge per hour, per day, or per visit. Consider factors like your experience, the type of pet, and the services you're providing. Now, let's talk potential earnings. As a pet sitter, your income can vary widely. If you're doing this part-time, you could make a few $100s a month. But if you're dedicated and build a solid client base, you could earn a full-time income. Turn your love for animals into a profitable side hustle with pet sitting. Got a unique voice? Voiceover work could be your ticket to making money from home. This booming industry is always in need of fresh voices, and the beauty is, you can do it right from the comfort of your living room. But how do you start? Well, consider taking some voice acting classes to hone your skills. Then, put together a demo showcasing your range and style. This demo will serve as your calling card in the industry. Next, it's time to find gigs. Websites like Voices.com and Fiverr are great places to start. They connect voiceover artists with clients seeking their talents. And finally, let's talk money. Setting your rates may seem tricky, but it's all about knowing your worth. Research typical rates and factor in the time you'll spend on a project, including prep work and revisions. Don't undervalue your skills, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Let your voice earn you money with this exciting side hustle. Are you a photography enthusiast? Selling stock photos could be a profitable side hustle for you. With the rise of digital marketing, there's a growing demand for high-quality images. Businesses, bloggers, and even students need stock photos for various purposes. So, how do you start? Firstly, you need to have a good camera and an eye for capturing engaging images. Next, you need to understand the market. What are clients looking for? Popular categories include business, technology, nature, and lifestyle. Now, where do you sell your photos? There are numerous platforms online. Some of the best include Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock. These platforms host millions of images and provide photographers with a percentage of the sale price each time their photo is downloaded. Earnings can vary significantly. Some photographers make a few dollars per download, while others make hundreds. It all depends on the quality and uniqueness of your photos. Turn your passion for photography into a money-making venture with stock photography. Are you a fitness enthusiast? Online fitness coaching could be the perfect side hustle for you. Dive right in by getting certified. Organizations like the American Council on Exercise and the National Academy of Sports Medicine offer online certifications. Once you're certified, you can start building your brand. Create a website or a blog and establish a strong social media presence to attract potential clients. Networking is a huge part of this hustle. Connect with other fitness professionals and join online fitness communities. Offer free sessions or classes to get your name out there. How much can you earn? It varies. Some coaches charge per session, while others offer monthly packages. The average hourly rate for a fitness coach ranges from $20 to $100, depending on experience and clientele. The best part? You're not just earning money, you're also helping others achieve their fitness goals. It's a win-win situation. Help others achieve their fitness goals while making money from home. Got some extra space at home? Renting it out could be a profitable side hustle. It's not just about renting out a spare bedroom on Airbnb, you can think outside the box. Unused garage space could be perfect for someone needing storage, or your backyard could become a pop-up event venue. The first step is to identify what kind of space you have and how it could be of value to others. Then, ensure your home insurance covers this type of venture, or consider getting additional coverage. Next, list your space on platforms like Airbnb, Spacer, or Peerspace. These sites handle the marketing, booking, and payment processes, freeing you to focus on providing a great experience. Earnings can vary widely based on location, type of space, and demand, but some people earn a substantial income from this side hustle. Plus, it's a flexible option that can work around your schedule. Turn your extra space into a money-making asset with this side hustle. There you have it, 15 side hustle ideas to make money from home. We've explored a diverse range of options, from online tutoring and freelance writing through to graphic designing and selling handmade products. We've delved into becoming a virtual assistant, managing social media, and even affiliate marketing. We've uncovered the potential of blogging, dropshipping, pet sitting, and voiceover work. We've also touched on the possibilities of stock photography, online fitness coaching, and renting out your space. Every one of these ideas has the potential to be a rewarding and lucrative side hustle. The trick is to find the one that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Do you love teaching? Try online tutoring. Are you a fitness enthusiast? Consider online fitness coaching. The key is to find something you enjoy and can commit to consistently. Remember, the best side hustle is the one that you enjoy and can consistently do. Start today and pave your way to financial freedom.